Happy New Year everyone! If you guys don't know me, my name is Mamta. I'm from Nepal. So today in this video I'm going to do this makeup look. It's perfect for New Year Eve or any party. It's kind of glittery. So if you guys want to know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so for the moisturizer, I'm taking my Laneige moisturizer cream to moisturize my face, and it's getting colder here, so remember to take care of your skin. So always remember your skincare is first and the makeup is second. So to make my makeup long lasting, I'm going to use this NYX primer. So for the foundation, I'm going to take this Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation, and I'm on the shade number 2. सो यदि तपाईहरुले पनि मैले यस्तै फाउन्डेसन ब्लेन्ड गर्नको लागि ब्रश युज गर्नुभएको छ भने फाउन्डेसनलाई ब्लेन्ड गर्दा तान्दै प्लस ड्याब ड्याब गर्दै गयो भने चाहिँ राम्रो हुन्छ। तानेर मात्रै गर्यो भने चाहिँ ब्रशको यसरी तानेको दर्शो बस्छ, त्यो भए चाहिँ राम्रो देख्दैन है। So as always for the highlighter and concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So to set my face, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Universal Blurring Powder. So I'm using my Hoola Bronzer from Benefit to give some shape to my face because I have round and chubby face. So to bring that young and youthful effect, I'm going to use this California blusher from Benefit. So for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, especially on my cheekbone, nose, brow bone, and a little bit on my cupid's bow and chin as well. So for the brow, I'm going to use this Scar Brow from Benefit to shape plus fill my brow. So if you guys are beginner, make sure you don't make your brow too dark. Use the lighter color first and end up with dark color and blend it really well so that it looks more natural. So now I'm going to use this color to set my eyelid from Benefit Nude Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Texture Eyeshadow Palette and taking this color as my transition color. So for the base for my glitter eyeshadow, I'm going to use this color from same Huda Beauty Texture Eyeshadow Palette. So now I'm using this NYX glitter primer to hold my glitter all day long. So for the glitter, I'm going to use this pinkish gold glitter from Cyber Color, and I'm going to apply all over my eyelid. So now I'm going to take the darkest color from the same eyeshadow palette from Benefit just to give some dimension to my eyes. So for my lower lash, I'm going to use that same darkest color to give some smoky effect. So today for the eyeliner, I'm going to use this Rimmel London liquid liner. So if you guys are not a big fan of liner, then you can totally skip this part. So before lipstick, don't forget to moisturize your lips. So for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Colourpop lipstick. It's on the shade Kame. This is my favorite lipstick. So our makeup part is done. It's very easy plus glam, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. So till then, take care, bye bye, happy new year again.